Hello everyone, welcome to Shinyjohnsonart channel. Today I am painting cute Christmas card. So first one is a bird, then a goat, a rabbit and a cat. So first we will paint bird with light color, then little bit darker blue and lemon yellow. Slightly grayish color, and then with light pink, and for the beak red color, then painting bird's legs with black color, then painting bird's eye black color. After that we will be painting for stem brown color, light brown, and then for leaves green. I like to paint leaves, green leaves and flowers, nature. That is, I like to paint nature related. That is, leaves, birds, flowers, and butterflies. Now the berries, red color for berries. Like to paint the berries, tiny berries. Then painting Christmas gifts, and with lemon yellow, and that same lightly paint for a goat, and light brown, very light brown, and upon the yellow we are painting with the brown color, and then for eyes black, and with one of my black pen I am just highlighting. Green color, then rabbit, very light pink color, starting with light color, that would be better, and after that making it more darker if you want. But for the face it's better to use slightly light color. Now The rabbit looks cute. Cute rabbit. This cat. For cat, light grey. Does become little darker. So for the face of the cat, little lighter. Grey cat. Complete grey. And then for face, light grey, very light, starting with light color. So now cat looks happier after painting. Gives painting with a red and violet color, that is a dark purple. Then painting carrot. Now next we are painting Christmas hat. The bird's Christmas hat. Painting with red color. So now the bird looks more cute. Wearing a tiny Christmas hat. And the bird looks ready for Christmas. Now goat's hat is painted quickly, and now bird's Christmas tree. So painting quickly tiny Christmas tree. Now the bird and goat both looks happy. Now painting rabbit's hat. Cat's Christmas hat. Cat wearing a Christmas hat. And so now even the cat looks happier and ready for the Christmas. Christmas star over the Christmas tree. And now the ornament, decorations, decorating Christmas tree. And now the birds Christmas tree. Now the cards are ready. So the simple Christmas cards are ready. And here we go. Happy painting. Merry Christmas. And thank you for watching.